What if I told you that choosing the right Divevolk kit could unlock cinematic footage, insane macro detail and make capturing your underwater adventures so much more fun and enjoyable? In this video I'm breaking down the most important Divevolk kits side by side, and by the end of it you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matthias. I'm an underwater content creator and I've been working extensively with Divevolk systems over the past years. I've tested pretty much every configuration they offer, from simple setups all the way to fully rigged advanced kits. So in this video, I'll help you cut through the confusion and choose the right one for your needs. Just a quick note. Everything I'm showing you in this video today is linked down below. And if you use those links, you'll also get a 6% discount on your entire purchase. Before we get into the more advanced setups, let's quickly cover the three basic kits. First, the Ocean Kit, which is your entry point, simple and clean. It includes the Seatouch 4max Plus housing, the expansion clamp, a red filter, a wide angle lens, a protective cover and a very handy travel case. It is Divevolk's best selling kit and great value for money. With Divevolk's filter kit you can add easy color correction for better underwater footage straight out of the camera. It includes the Seatouch 4max Plus housing, the expansion clamp, a red and a magenta filter, a protective cover and a travel case. It is great for divers who regularly dive in bluish and greenish water. Divevolk's Macro Kit introduces you to close-up underwater shooting. It includes the Seatouch 4max Plus housing, the expansion clamp, a +8 close-up lens, a protective cover and the travel case. This is the ideal kit for divers wanting to get into capturing great macro shots. These basic kits are great starting points, but if you really want to push your underwater content further, the next kits are where things get really interesting. This is the Creator Kit. And for most people, this is where things start to get serious. The single handle tray gives you much better stability compared to just holding the housing. That means smoother footage, better framing and overall more control. The Creator Kit consists of the Seatouch 4max Plus housing, an expansion clamp, a red filter and a wide angle conversion lens, an underwater external Bluetooth shutter, the single handle tray, a coil lanyard, a travel case, a protective cover, an extended ball joint clamp and either a 2000 or 5000 lumen video light. I recommend to go with the 5000 lumen one. This Divevolk kit is best for travel creators, casual underwater filmmakers or anyone upgrading from a basic kit. If you're shooting video for YouTube or social media, this is probably the sweet spot. Next up, the Deep Dive Kit. This one is all about going further. If you're diving deeper, dealing with low light, or just want a more robust setup, this kit is built for that. The Deep Dive Kit consists of the Seatouch 4max Plus housing, an expansion clamp, a red filter and a wide angle lens, an underwater external Bluetooth shutter, a dual handle tray, a coil lanyard, a double click lanyard, a travel case, a protective cover, 2 ball joint clamps, 2 underwater video lights, either the 5000 lumen or the 12,000 lumen versions, and optionally ambient blue filters and a remote control for the video lights, including fiber optic cables. Key points of this setup are that it is a more durable configuration. It is designed for depth and reliability, and it is better suited for advanced divers. It is made for more demanding creators, deeper recreational dives and challenging conditions. This is the Almighty Kit, and honestly, the name fits. The dual buoyancy arms are a game changer. They don't only improve handling, they actually help balance the entire rig underwater. The Almighty Kit consists of the Seatouch Formax Plus housing, the expansion clamp, a red and a magenta filter, a wide-angle conversion lens, an underwater external Bluetooth shutter, a dual-handle tray, 4 extended ball joint clamps, a coil lanyard, a double clip lanyard, dual buoyancy float arms, a travel case, a protective cover, a macro lens, and a set of underwater video lights, either the 5000 lumen or the 12,000 lumen version, and optionally some ambient light filters, an L bracket for switching from vertical to horizontal shooting, and a remote control for the video lights, including fiber optic cables. Essentially everything you need for a fully balanced professional level rig. The benefits of the Almighty Kit are a neutral buoyancy feeling, maximum stability, and professional level control. It is made for serious videographers, for cinematic shooting and the highest demands and expectations. If you want the closest thing to a professional underwater camera rig, but with your smartphone, this is it. And now, my personal favorite for detail lovers, the Advanced Macro Kit. This comes with a plus 18 diopter macro lens, which is insanely powerful. The Advanced Macro Kit consists of the Seatouch Formax Plus housing, an expansion clamp, a Macro Lens Pro plus 18, an underwater external Bluetooth shutter, a flexible arm, a ball joint clamp, a 2000 lumen video light, a snoot module, a travel case, and the protective cover. Explained simply, this setup lets you focus extremely close and capture tiny subjects with incredible detail. It is best for macro enthusiasts, nudibranchs, shrimps, tiny critters, and creative underwater storytelling. If you've ever wanted to capture those super small underwater details, this is the kit you need. So here's the quick breakdown. The Ocean, Filter and Macro Kits, those are best for beginners. The Creator Kit is best suited as an all-rounder for most users. The Deep Dive Kit is best for depth and demanding conditions. The Almighty Kit is best suited for professional level filming. And the Advanced Macro Kit is ideal for extreme close-up shooting. If you're unsure, drop your question in the comments. I'll help you choose the right setup for you. And no matter which kit you choose, your results will massively improve with the right camera app. That's where Uwacam comes in. The highlight features of this app are the amazing UVA color processing, the AI fish identification feature, and optimized underwater shooting controls. It makes underwater shooting easier, more fun, and the results just look better. You can currently get 20% off your first yearly subscription with the code UVA2 if you're a new user. Just follow the link in the video description and unlock your discount using the code UVA2. And if you want to get even more out of your setup, make sure to check out my video on 5 tips for better underwater smartphone footage. It'll take your shots to the next level. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep capturing your awesome underwater adventures, and I will see you in the next one.